Hey guys, Cindy Indo here. Well, guess what I got? This is the screen protector, uh, anti-glare. I think it's like matte, the one that is not shiny, basically. Let's say premium tempered glass screen protector. I know that I chose the matte version, so we'll see when I install. And what I'm trying to get on this video is basically I was trying to clean the screen, but I was just like, well, the screen, it looks clean, no fingerprint. So come to find out, if you go to the menu here and then go to display and a screen clean mode, voila, that's all the fingerprint. Screen cleaning mode, so it's easy. Dang, that's dirty. So when I get done, hold and to exit, press hold 1 second and voila. So the other day I was wondering, well, how the heck do I supposed to clean this? And I don't see any fingerprint. So menu, display, screen cleaning mode, and now you can see your fingerprint and hold to exit. Easy peasy. Ciao.